Did you know? Drinking horns were real, but most Vikings probably drank from wooden cups, ceramic, or imported glass in everyday life. Hollywood popularized the image of Vikings constantly drinking from horns, but archaeological evidence suggests they were mostly reserved for special occasions and ceremonial feasts. Ancient tools. Vikings used iron saws, knives, and drills. Several archaeological discoveries support this. The infamous Mästermyr Find. This is an archaeological find, a Viking Age tool chest from Gotland. Spoiler, horn dust smells awful. Here's how Vikings looked like. Oh wait, sorry, that's the Hollywood version. Away with you. This, for example, is historically accurate clothing. No wooden mouthpiece is used for this horn. It is played more like a trumpet or didgeridoo. It works perfectly fine without one. You might be wondering what this string is for. I'm using this piece of hemp string as a guide for the line I'm about to carve. Horns weren't just instruments, they were communication tools. Many different cultures used them throughout the ancient times. Ready for the first sound test? Do you think this could be louder? Let's test it in the open field, shall we? So what do you think? Did this work out? Let me know in the comments below.
Subscribe!